Patil Group dedicates to nation. It is the largest flash butt welding depot of Indian Railways. Located at New Bongaigaon, Assam, under Northeast Frontier Railway. A huge investment done. Total plant area of 1.25 lakh square meters. Plant establishment cost of 26 crores. Area of free rail unloading is of 3,700 square meters. Stacking capacity of free rail is 15,000 metric ton. Area of rail panel loading is 4,950 square meters. Finished rail panel stacking capacity is of 22,000 metric ton. There are 2 dedicated railway lines for loading and unloading of rails and rail panels. Length of roller line is 605 meters. 404 rollers synchronized with 66 gears and motors. There are 34 number of gantries. Capacity of each gantries is of 2 ton. In free rail stacking area 13 numbers of gantries are available which are operated electrically by remote. And in rail panel stacking area 21 numbers of gantries are synchronized with modern VFD technology. A dedicated 260-meter yaw rake is available for carrying rail panels from plant to railway required site. It has a best geographical location of plant for supply of rail panels for NFR and adjacent railway zones.